have a printer connected on My STEM Kits, you're ready to send your first print. If you haven't connected your printer yet, you'll do so from the Printer Management tab in this left-hand column. And we have specific videos and instructions for a variety of printers, so find the instructions specific to yours. Once you do have a printer active in your site and available to print on, it will show up under the Available Printers section of the Printer Management page once it fully loads. Any printers that are currently printing will instead show up under Active Printers. So make sure you have one in the Available Printers section before moving on to this next step. To start printing, you're going to click Browse Kits in the left-hand panel to find a kit that's of interest to you. Now you can use the search, filters, subjects, and more, as well as the search bar in the top to find things specific to what you are looking to teach. And if a word doesn't show up in the search bar, try something similar to get what you're looking for. Once you've gone through and found a kit that looks interesting, you'll want to simply click on the kit picture or the words View Kit to open up the kit page. Once you find a kit that looks interesting, you can go into the kit page by either clicking on the kit image or where it says View Kit. The kit page itself has a lot of useful information to you, including what subjects, strands, grades, how many lessons, and even a description of what the kit was intended for. You'll also often find videos or pictures showing different ways to use the kit, showing you how to build it, and so forth. Below all of that, you'll find a model guide and ideas for implementation so that you can see how to build and use your kit in your classroom. If the kit has any assigned lesson plans, they'll be found on this page as well. If you keep scrolling, you get to the 3D printing part of the kit page. On here, you can see an estimated print time, as well as build volumes for both small and large printers. Now these will both print the exact same set of pieces, but small part sets might just do it in a few more pieces or a few alternate pieces that have been designed to fit on smaller 3D printers. Below the part sets that print multiple pieces at once, you'll find individual parts, so if you break or lose anything, you can simply print a replacement for that individual piece. Once you've chosen a piece you'd like to print, simply click the word Print, but if you haven't unlocked the kit, nothing will happen. You'll actually get that big red circle with the line going through it. And that's because if you look at the top, the kit is still locked. When I click the word Locked, it will give me the option to unlock the kit. So I'm going to unlock before sending it to print. Once a kit has been unlocked, all the lesson plans are available for download, and all the kit pieces and part sets are available to be 3D printed. Once it's unlocked, I can simply scroll all the way back down, find the part again, and now when I click Print, it will open up a pop-up window giving me a picture and some more information, including maybe what color to use, and then I can simply click Print to open up my window here where I can select the specific 3D printer I'd like to print to. Now, if you're just getting started, you can click Enable One-Click Printing at the top, and when you select your printer, you will have to do no additional steps. It will simply go straight to your printer. Now, if you're a more advanced user, or as you would like to start getting more into the detail of this, maybe you'd like to adjust the scale of your model, print duplicates at once, any of those things can be done if you don't click Enable One-Click Printing, and instead just select a printer. So if I don't have that selected, it will instead load a preview of my 3D model right here on a build volume outline that matches the specific printer I selected. As you can see, we have Move, Rotate, Scale, Copy, Delete, and so forth, all right here on this window. When I click Next, it will show a whole bunch of print settings. But the good thing is we've already pre-optimized these for the variety of printers we offer in our website. So you can edit these if you feel comfortable doing so, but by no means do you have to. If this is intimidating to you, simply click Next and know you're in good hands. This will now line up with selecting the printer if I'd left one-click printing enabled. It will go through the process of slicing, preparing, and sending the model to your printer, where it will start printing without any additional steps. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and have a great time starting to 3D print from My STEM Kits on your printer.